Baby Bavumile comes back from hospital, but later Zolega realizes that the baby is not breathing. Akaphefumuli ubavu. Ngapha uDabs is questioning the way the goat was crying, saying that it was not normal. But uTata kaSigcibo says that ikhalile bhokwe, stop looking for trouble nomfundisi. And then Mawetu finds a security breach, but Onga takes over and works with Kawe, making him jealous. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zolega and others, they come back, no baby Bavumile. Apparently the baby is feeling better now. Tumeka is also there, no Nceba, no Kawe. They decide that they're going to help them. They must go rest. They're going to look after Umtana. And then Zolega sort of like confides in Kawe, saying that, in Tumeka saying that she was really scared. Umthusile ngempela unyani ubavumile. And says that she doesn't want umntanakhe to suffer for her sins. Tumtum is wondering ukuthi awusisi iziphi lezo zibi, like you're doing well, like you're a good mother, you're going to raise umntana kakuhle. I hope Uzolega is not going to go and confide with Tumeka, because what is that? Why would she do that? And then Uzolega is busy preparing a bottle for Ubavumile, busy talking to Laz on the phone. Ulaz the present daddy going on about please kiss my baby for me, checking on them and all that. And then Zolega realizes that baby Bavumile is not breathing. She checks again, umntana akaphefumuli, and then calls on Daphne, because Daphne, umntana akaphefumuli. What are they doing? I hope Ubavumile is not going to get sick to a point where they have to now confess, because apparently ufuna inyanya zakhe. He wants to be introduced to inyanya zakwamabandla. Ay, drama ngaka. And then Ngapha uDabs is busy questioning that the goat did not cry normally during the ceremony, and questions ubhutwakhe kuba was that normal to you? Ubhutwakhe uyacasuka ukuthi hawu ngizozelaphi mina ikhalo zebhoka ukuthi zihlukile. The goat cried, ibhoke laSigcibo likhalile, and that's it. Stop looking for trouble where there's none, nomfundisi. uDabs won't stop, goes on about this has happened before. Someone was saying ingane was introduced to a family, and then they later found out ukuthi umntana so wow, because the goat thing was a sign. Ngapha uLinda is not resting, saying that already throwing herself at Onga, the new CIO. Ngapha Onga puts Chawe in her place. She arrived late. Wamtshela ukuthi you need to report so that everyone knows where your whereabouts. And then it seems like they're already enemies, no Mawetu, because Mawetu is not sending the work that is supposed to send to Onga. And Lazarus comes over to check on Onga to see how everything is going, and finds out Tukutayo he's adjusting well. He's adjusting really well, and says that Nanje personal life akanayo, it's non-existent to him, it's just him, himself, and him. And then Mawetu finds a security breach. Apparently someone's trying to hack into Capital Bank. Shows to Kawe, and then they call the bosses. And then they're trying to work as a team to manage the situation. They call the bosses. Onga comes and takes over. Mawetu kuti what's going on. Yenzekeni lento. Takes a laptop from Mawetu and takes over trying to manage the security breach. Mawetu is just sitting there going like, what's happening here? Why is this guy taking over my work? Guns is gonna get worse, man. Kawe comes to give them feedback on what's happening, because she went to check on Ulwandle, a server room and all that. Comes back giving them feedback. They haven't taken the money yet, it's just floating. Now Onga no Kawe, they're working together, trying to fix this thing. Akasana mona Mawetu looking at them teaming up like that, like coordinating and working. And then she's just sitting there feeling jealous, because Onga just took over something that he should be doing. Now Onga is doing it. And then now Lazarus is worried, why is this happening now? Onga reassures him, don't worry, we're on it, we're going to fix this. Hey, seeing the team Mawetu Kawe no Onga, Mawetu no Linda, they're just looking at each other like, what's brewing here? Sydney go because they realize the Ecoseller is on to them. The security breach, the security software they updated is stopping them from taking the money. Tsaki decides, you know what, let's not take the money, let's just give it to abantu, to the poor, so they can use it. Sydney is not happy about this, but Dice is happy, he just seems smiling. And then Tumeka no Hlati is not resting issue ngane. He's busy going on about wanting another baby, but Tumeka is not budging, saying I phone mina nje ingane man kancane. And then he decides he's going to take Thumeka out on a date. Thumeka is already pondering about this issue kuba uThandeka once said ukuthi uHlathi suspects ukuthi umntana azolekho wakhe, and he's worried about it. But Thanda is like, hi man, I was just joking, man, I leave that. And then Hlathi takes Thumeka to Palette, and they go there for their dinner. They sit in Gumnandi. Hlathi brings back about the baby issue again, saying that we need to work on our project, baby number 4. Akaresti yini uHlathi. Ubavumile is giving him sleepless nights so much that he wants to have a baby naye ASAP. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.